Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you another case of why you want to have your installation for any electronics in the car done by professionals and not just done by the best deal you can find. So we have a case in here. This is a customer who came by to our shop to check the alarm issues he had. The remote didn't function, so we tested the remote, but we also tested the alarm, and we immediately found that the alarm was not installed correctly. The system was installed by the dealer when he purchased the vehicle, brand new, and obviously the dealer was not the installer. The dealer used a third party, probably got the best deal that they can have. What we noticed immediately is when we lock the car, you can hear we have the siren, which means the car is locked. The siren is working, so we have the sound. We supposedly have an alarm fully function. But what happens if somebody now breaks the window, put their hand inside and open the door? Why there's no alarm? The reason is there is no alarm because the installer didn't actually bother connecting any of the door triggers or hood pin or other stuff. He just simply put a siren to make the sound, and the customer thought, okay, I have an alarm. The problem is, if you put money towards an alarm, you have a purpose, something in your car, it's your work vehicle, there's stuff that you want to make sure that if something happens you get alerted. This is not the case. You spend the money and you don't get what you pay for. And we see that many times with places that are not licensed, places that give you great deals, and you as a customer don't know what to expect, what you're supposed to have. And we find very quickly how they did the shortcut and what happens. For more videos, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Contact us at carsysteminstallation.ca. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.